Hi guys, maulan. Kaya, kain tayo. Ito, yung binili namin kahapon na, ito siya. Ano ba to? J. Roro's Special Pichi Pichi. Ayan, Pichi Pichi. Cheese toppings. Cheese toppings. Ito ko sa inyo. Tapos, ayan, si Dehan, kakain na siya ng lunch time nila. Kakain siya ng, ayan, rice with barbecue chicken. This. This pala. I'm gonna try this na ako. On the top. Put this. Ito lang. Masarap siya.
Can I try some, Mom?
Okay. Cheers. First bite. Nahulog yung cheese.
The main ingredient,
Cheese.
cheese. Mom, can I have some now? I
Mm.
really want some. Make it a lot of cheese, Mom. A lot.
Second bite for Dehan. Yummy rin. Sarap siya. Sakto lang yung tamis niya, tapos sarap ng combination ng pagka-saltiness ng cheese tsaka yung tamis ng pichi-pichi.
Mom, maybe you should put this in the microwave and let the cheese melt.
Let's try.
Yeah.
Gusto niya initin. Try kong initin.
How many minutes? I mean seconds, Mom? How many seconds, Mom? 20. She said 20.